After the Fiat Argo and Punto were discontinued in South American markets, the subcompact hatchback Fiat Argo was released. Its sleek, athletic style, aimed squarely at the youth market, helped it immediately become famous. The future of the Fiat Argo is uncertain, but the fascinating potential for its evolution could inform future models. Multiple engine options, including gasoline and flex fuel versions, are available for the contemporary Fiat Argo, making it versatile and efficient. The Argo is a popular choice among drivers who value affordability and dependability because to its well-rounded performance. A touchscreen infotainment system that improves connectivity and enough safety technology appropriate for its class are key characteristics. To maintain the Argo's competitiveness, Fiat introduced a makeover in 2022. A new front grille, updated bumpers, wheel designs, and improved interior components were all part of the updates. The vehicle's look was enhanced with these alterations while retaining its charming, approachable quality. The Argo and the Fiat Kronos, Fiat's sedan equivalent, are allegedly set to receive major modifications in 2025. Modern electronics, better inside materials, and minor cosmetic tweaks to increase its overall appeal are all part of what's to come in the revisions. The Argo is set to undergo some updates that will bring it up to date even further, making it a formidable contender in the subcompact market. A combination of comfort and functionality characterizes the Fiat Argo's cabin design. It is anticipated that subsequent versions will expand upon this base by introducing upgraded infotainment systems, higher quality materials, and further technologies meant to elevate the driving experience. We anticipate that its design will maintain its user-friendliness and prioritize the comfort of both drivers and passengers. The Argo's dynamic exterior design has garnered a lot of attention. To keep up with modern trends while keeping it looking youthful, possible upgrades could include more aerodynamic elements and sharper lines. Although the 2025 Fiat Argo might see a little price hike owing to its modifications, it is anticipated to maintain its reputation for being an affordable vehicle. The refreshed model may have a starting price between $18,000 and $20,000. In general, the Fiat Argo remains a staple of the Fiat portfolio, appealing to South American buyers with its elegance, performance, and versatility.